My name is Penelope Hearn, and I work for Toby's Estates, which we're based in Brooklyn. Our roastery's in Brooklyn. And we have 4 shops in the city. I work mostly in the West Village. I'm here at Coffee Masters. I just made it into 7th place, and we're about to go into the 2nd round. It's very exciting to be here. And in the 2nd round, we get to do an order challenge as well as latte art, and we get to work on the San Remo, which I'm very excited about. I love the built-in scales. I love how customizable the pressure is and the quantity of water and how everything is weighed out and very programmable. And I'm really excited to be here and really excited to work on this machine.